Okay. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, yo. Okay. As you're coming in, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you smash the like button. And let's just get started. The only thing you have to do right now is to make sure you do what? Smash the like button and let's get started. The only thing you have to do right now is to smash the like button and let's get started. Even if you are watching this video later after now, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you comment what you learned from this video. Make sure if you want to appreciate, you can appreciate in the comment section, and let's share this video to our loved ones. Let's grow together. Okay, so let's get started, ladies and gentlemen, instantly. Let's get started now. What pair should I use out of all the pairs we have on our watch list? What pair, guys? Recommend a pair for me. Recommend a pair so that we can use it. I have to do a fresh analysis on it, a top-down analysis as a day trader. Okay. Waiting. NAS 100. Let's see if I have a consistent pair that, you know, a lot of you should vote for pair that you want us to do. Just let's mention pairs names, like the one I have on my watch list. Don't mention the one I don't have on my watch list anyway. Mention the one I have on my watch list. I have NAS 100. I have gold. Which other one? Let's be fast about this. As you are coming in, one thing you must do is what? Smash the like button. Why are you suggesting Aridoh JPY? Is he on my watch list? Kyle, you are part of me now. You've been with me for some time, so you should know now. Why are you doing like this? Okay, I think I have two NAS 100 right now. Maybe we should just use NAS 100. Okay. Any other suggestion? Everybody support NAS 100. Should we dive into NAS 100? If you are mentioning any pair that I don't have for my watch list, I will just ignore you. Okay. Everybody support NAS 100. Anybody support NAS 100? I just need one more confirmation for that NAS 100 from a different person. We have gold, we have DPPG. Okay, NAS 100. Only low your likely concept NAS 100. So let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing you need to do in this tutorial I want to teach you right now is to make sure you smash the like button, number one. Secondly, make sure you listen attentively and then you put into practice what I'm about to teach you right now. So let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. NAS 100. Okay, this is NAS 100 on a swing analysis. Okay, so I'm going to come here, look for another NAS 100. This is NAS 100 from Wahanda. So I'll pick another very popular broker that has NAS 100. Nasdaq. Okay. NAS 100. let me just go for pepper stone broker. Okay, let me go for pepper stone. Yeah, this is pepper stone. Oh, I've even see those days when I still just okay. I remember this. Okay, that's even good. That's even good. This particular pair you're seeing right now, I've actually, and I was practicing what I learned from Jeffrey Benson, the way he trade on the GBP. I was practicing it on NAS 100. And then you guys, let's just quickly look at it. Part of what we are going to add to the strategy we are teaching this morning. Can you see that this market is respecting those psychological level? This is psychological level, this is psychological level. You see the way it's respecting it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this psychological level is serving as a neckline. Break it, come back to retest it, see, boom, to the upside. Okay, so but this morning, let me just do it like this because I'm going to add it to my watch list too. Let me do it like this. NAS 100 of pepper stone. Add. Okay, now it's under my day trade. Now this is it. Okay, so guys, the first thing first we need to do, let me clear this, let me clear all this notes, let me clear all the 64 drawings cleared. Okay, the first thing you need to do is come to weekly time frame. Remember, follow this instruction. I'm going to make it very simple. Okay, it's just the same thing that I usually, the same strategy I used to swing trade, cash 200, 500, 1000, 2000 pips. It's still the same strategy, just that we are going to break it down to a day trading strategy. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, we are not going to have any much business on monthly time frame, so we're just going to start dealing from weekly time frame. Okay, so you know, most day traders don't even go to weekly time frame, but let's start from there. So the first thing first, we know that this is an uptrend, and we do what, we quickly draw our most obvious major level from our weekly time frame. If it's a swing trade, we draw a major level from where? From our monthly time frame. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see this is our major level being drawn here. I don't want to make it to be wide, should be tiny. Okay, this market actually respects this. Okay, this market actually respect this, so we can now repeat it to another obvious level. Okay, sometimes I might need to widen it so that we can. Okay, this is another one, but let me have to zoom this so that I can touch. You have to touch this. I have to touch this. Okay, so another obvious level we need to put it where the market is actually relevant to the market. Where is relevant to the market? Okay, so for me, we are done with weekly time frame major levels. Okay, the next we just go to what? Daily time frame. Daily time frame and 1 hour time, daily time frame and 4 hour time frame are where we are going to draw our minor level. Okay, so our minor level is going to be drawn with rotated rectangle. Okay, so we just look at minor level, minor level, minor level. Okay, we start with the most obvious, the most obvious, the most obvious. But guess what, guys? This strategy I'm teaching you is going to train you to be patient, because it's a strategy that works best for people that are patient. And you know, as a swing trader, you have to be patient for confirmation to happen before you strike. Okay, so this is one major level being drawn here right now, but I need to widen this thing to the future. I need to widen into the future. Okay, Are you kidding me? 30-minute time frame. Time frame. You must be kidding me. Oh. Okay. So I want to explain this thing to the future. Okay. Okay. So I've extended to the future right now. Come on, why is it disappearing and reappearing? Why is it doing that? Okay. Okay. So going back to daily time frame, if I'm right, we started drawing this from our daily time frame, right? But okay. So what are we seeing here? We're seeing minor levels. Okay, so we now dive into what after spotting this. Oh, let me drag this back here. So after spotting this, then there's no much we are spotting on the daily time frame anymore. So we just dive into 4-hour time frame, okay? Up until your 1-hour time frame, you can draw your minor level. In fact, a major level can also be drawn. In fact, let me do something right now, ladies and gentlemen. Your major level can be drawn from weekly and daily time frame. So instead of this that I draw from a daily time frame, let me just return it back to let me bring this back up here. This should be drawn on from 4-hour time frame, but daily time frame should be major level because it's a day trade. Audio is very low. Okay, I'm closer to my mic right now. Can you guys hear me right now? Am I audible? Let me know if I'm audible. 4 hours time frame, daily time frame, sorry. Daily time frame and weekly time frame is meant for major levels. So you come here, another major level spotted right about here. Another major level spotted right about here. I will drag it to the future. I will make sure we place it rightly. I will try as much as possible to make it tiny and relevant. You have to touch it to be too wide. Okay, so now this is our major level is going to be drawn from what time frame to what time frame, weekly to daily time frame are major levels. Our minor level will start from where? From 4 hours. Okay, so we look at 4 hours charts and be like, okay, 4 hours charts, that's where we have our what? Our minor level, and our minor level just fits right about here. Then we look at again, do we spot another minor levels that the market actually respected? Something there, something right about here, something right about here. Okay, something right about here. We look at the past and see if that market actually respected. You can see respect it. Okay, so now we now dive into when to 1 hour time frame to see if there's any possible strategy, any possible minor level right about here, and we can easily spot that. You can see we can easily spot one minor level from here, then another minor level right about here. Let's drag it to the future. Another minor level right about here. Another one right about here. Okay, let's just drag it to the future. Okay, so in between here we have another minor level. We have another one which is when you press your control down, you select the rectangle, rotate rectangle, it will just follow you and double up. Okay, I think I have one here, but this one needs to be tiny. This one needs to be tiny. It needs to be tiny, okay? It needs to be tiny. Don't let it be wide if not necessary. The reason why these ones are wide is because of what they are touching. These ones just need to touch, you know, it's relevant, touch, you know, piercing in and out, but at least touching, okay? So you can see touch here, then to the upside, okay? So after all this now, do we still have another minor level that we need to spot out? Okay, if not, then we now dive into 15-minute time frame. It's on 15-minute time frame that we now get what? We get our entry. So one thing that you should know or have in mind is that you're still going to be trading with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. If you're trading against the trend, it might be very, very risky. Okay, so always trade with the trend. This market has started trending from here to the upside. So let's bring it up. It has started trending from here to the upside, so we can support with the trend line all the way from here to the upside. If we want to draw it like this, you can see this market actually respects here. First touch, second touch, third touch. It break below, consolidated, retested the trend line as if it wants to actually start trending now. It came back, this support, push it back up. It break back the trend line, tested the trend line kind of, and then now it's going up in profit. So this trend line is still what? It's still very, very valid. This trend line is still what? Very, very valid. So now let's just hope we are going to open this trend line. If this market is retracing right now, we hope that it's going to retrace and touch this trend line. So another thing we can use to support it is what? Fibonacci. Okay, this market started trending from here to here. It might respect this, and then it might also respect this. This is it. So now look at it, guys. This is how to make decision when you see something like this. Okay, this trend, where is the recent swing low? The recent swing low is here. This is where we have our recent swing low, here that I place it. This is the recent swing low. So this market is likely to push down to this diamond zone 0.50 and 0.618, and upon like a we are now going to be looking for like 3 things. Any of them that happen: number 1, chart pattern; number 2, candlestick pattern; number 3, weak rejection. Guys, are you with me? Number 1, chart pattern; number 2, candlestick rejection, candlestick pattern; number 3, weak rejection. Any of it that form around here is going to be a confirmation for us to do what? To long this trade, having our stop loss below this 0.618. And if this market did now not respect it, that is when we will now do like, okay, let's now drag it down here. let's see if it's doing something like a short retracement, mid retracement, a long time retracement. So this might be like a mid retracement for this movement. So you might want to push down to this level before it starts going back. Do you understand? If you know you understand this thing that I'm teaching you right now, put something in the chat box. Let me know if you understand. Let me know if you understand. Guys, let me know if you understand. Let me know if you understand. You understand what I'm just teaching you right now? Let me know if you understand. I'm going to be shooting another video this weekend and I'm going to be uploading. So what I'm teaching you guys right here, I'm going to be teaching a bit of it also. Understood? Beautiful. So right now you can actually pick any pair of your choice, but I would advise that you first start trading that pair when start trading that pair on demo account to see if it's going to respect your analysis. And another thing about this particular pair that we are analyzing right now is this market actually retrace, touches. Remember, this is then another law or another principle you should have in mind is that if you are already in a trade, and you are swinging your trade, you can leave your, but anytime you are day trading, anytime the market gets to this major level or your minor level, let it be your entry, let it be your point of exit. Get out from the trade or let it be your point of entry. It is always sweeter when you pick trade from a resistance or a support. Our major level and our minor level is usually a strong resistance and a strong support. So if you pick a trade from there, it is always it makes a lot of sense than to pick a trade just outside those levels, like in between. Okay, so right now I will advise that, guys, don't do anything on this pair. Even if you want to start going up, let it go up and do this, let it break out, retest. Upon this retest, you will get a confirmation candle here, a chart pattern here, a weak rejection, boom, to the upside. This is an example of a weak rejection here. You can see when it gets to this level, it weak back down. It come back to that level, it weak back down. After that 2 weeks, it started coming back down. And when it get to this level again, what happened? It weak back up. And after that weaking back up, it has not come back down. You need to gather another momentum because that place are strong levels. Okay, so with this, by God's grace, you're going to make a lot of money in the market. Trust me. We're going to be trading it together anyway. I'll be looking at it. So we're going to be doing series of all this strategy, like tomorrow, next tomorrow, anytime I'm doing a live session. Let me just put it that way. So we are going to pick another pair. We are going to also analyze that pair. We're going to pick another pair, just like we have done NAS 100 right now. We're going to pick another pair. We're going to analyze it. Okay, so let me know if you guys understand. If you have any question, let me know. This is all about that. This is everything I want to teach you. This is it. Any question? Chinedu Ujiuba, you said little. You understand little. I'm sure you are not part of our mentorship session, our mentorship channel. You are not part of us here, so you might not likely understand it, because these people that I'm teaching here right now that are saying understood, clear, is because I've been teaching them. I've put them through some process because they belong to my mentorship, so they understand all these things that I'm teaching them. So you can't just join us maybe 1 session or 2 sessions and start getting everything clearly. You have to start from the basic that I'll put you through. Do this, this is the first level, this second level, before you get to this level. Okay, so that is why you need to be part of the mentorships platform. Okay, so let me put NAS 100 space hash. Okay, then Okay, so then now to now conclude or finalize this video right now, if you want to join us in the mentorship channel, it is very, very simple. I still have the most, and I'll continue to have the most flexible and fair enough requirement for anybody to learn forex in the world. DAOM Empire has the most flexible and fair enough requirement for anybody to have access to forex strategy and mentorship in the whole world. Okay, so what do you have to do to join us in the mentorship? You don't have to pay me any money. It is absolutely free from my end, like $0. You are paying me personally is $0. You are paying DAOM Empire is $0. All you need to do is to make sure you follow our requirements. What are the requirements? It's two type of requirements we have for you to join our mentorship session and live and signal channel. And guess what? Another beautiful thing about it is that all these offer are a lifetime offer. You are going to be in my mentorship session, in my mentorship platform, till you are good enough to stand on your own. You are going to be getting my signals till you are good enough to start driving your own signals yourself. Now, the first requirement is that you either use my recommended link to open a recommended broker, which is XM is the recommended broker I use. So you use my recommended link to open it, and I confirm it for you. I have you in my team under in my team on XM platform. I confirm it. You fund a minimum of $100, because as at the time I'm doing this video, we just have few days left for our requirement to graduate to $100. Fund it with minimum of $100. I confirm it. That money is your money. You are going to be using it to trade your life account, and any profit you make from it, it is 100% yours. Nobody is going to tell you to send any money. I've never collected any money from anybody before to teach them, to mentor them, or to provide signals for them, and I won't do it. Okay, I am also in the market. I'm making my own trade and I'm making my own profit. So all the people that are now charging you for mentorship and signals, they are doing the right thing, because nobody gained this knowledge for free. Everybody paid a price. But me doing it like this is just because I just want to stand differently, and I know there are some people that don't have the money, but they are seriously ready to learn. But no matter what, there's no how you are going to actually learn without little commitment, and there's no how you are going to be in forex without trading. That's why you need to use my recommended broker, or you use my recommended prop firm. Currently, as I'm doing this video, my recommended prop firm is Consummate, and I still like Consummate. Their rules are flexible enough for any trader to pass. If I have another better one, I'll let you know, but I have to be honest with you guys, Consummate still get it. Okay, so either buy Consummate account with, you have to register Consummate account with my recommended link. If you don't have the link, ask me. If you check my description box, you get the link there. After you register, you have to screenshot it to my DM on Telegram showing I am your referrer, Diamond Aridoh. After I confirm that you are in my team, I'll give you a go ahead to deposit, verify your account, and purchase the account you want, starting from $15,000 above. So if I confirm it, I will give you a lifetime access to my mentorship session and my signal channel. You can do any of these that I've mentioned, or you do both of them. You have access to a lifetime mentorship and a lifetime signals from Diamond Aridoh himself. Okay, this is all we do in DAOM Empire. Thank you. If you have any question, let me know. Musa Keden say you have question. What's your question? Let's quickly tackle your question and let's call it a day from here.